Have a good day, ma'am. My name is Noah Ching Pasio, 29 years old. I have three daughters, ma'am. Their ages is 6, 8, and 11. I am a single parent, ma'am. My father's occupation is a farmer, and also my mother's occupation is a housewife and farmer also, ma'am. We are five siblings, and I am the second, ma'am. I have two brothers and two sisters. My educational background, ma'am, is I took up Bachelor of Elementary Education, ma'am, second year undergraduate. I didn't finish my schooling, ma'am, because of financial before, ma'am. My first experience as house helper is in Makati, ma'am, Makati City. They are half Filipino and half Chinese, ma'am. They have two kids. Their ages is 2 years old and 6 years old, ma'am. I do cleaning, ma'am. Also cooking, ironing, washing, ma'am, taking good care of the kids, and I'm going sometimes with them in school, ma'am. My first abroad experience, ma'am, is in United Arab Emirates. I stayed them almost 5 years, ma'am, with one employer. They are half Filipino and half Emirati, ma'am. They have three kids, ma'am. Their ages is 4, 6, and 10, ma'am. I'm do cleaning, also ironing, washing, ma'am, cooking, ma'am, and going with them in school also. I'm teaching them in their homework also, ma'am. I want to work abroad like Hong Kong, ma'am, because I want to continue my support to my family, ma'am, especially to my daughters, ma'am, because they are all going to school, ma'am. Because I am a single mother, ma'am, I want to provide them a good um a good financial, ma'am, and stable going to school, ma'am. If you if you will choose me, ma'am, I will do all my best, ma'am, and I will take good care of the kids also, ma'am. And I will be honest, I will be initiative in all works, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.